Pastry Chef Mew Mew. I enjoy making delicious desserts for all. Bake it in the oven. Wow, the delicious cake is done. Let's make more desserts together. Welcome. Mew Mew, please give me an extra large portion of dessert. Marshmallow ice cream. Milk. Whipping cream. Sugar. Egg. Use a bottle. Phew. 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 Egg yolk. Egg beater. Rainbow candy flavor. Wow, what a nice crispy chocolate bar! Let's make a cotton candy! Which shape of marshmallow do you like? Oh, let's roll the marshmallow! It tastes even better with decorations! The marshmallow ice cream is ready. It looks great. There you go. Please enjoy. Treats you have made are so delicious!